Ever stared at your savings account, feeling like it's a stagnant pool while the world of investments is a flowing river of potential? If you've been toying with the idea of diving into the investment pool, especially with Stashaway, but the how to transfer money part has been a roadblock, then you're in the right place. Let's face it, transferring money can be as exciting as watching paint dry. But fear not, because we're about to turn this financial chore into a thrilling adventure. Think of this as your personal guide to navigating the waters of transferring your hard-earned cash to Stashaway. First off, what exactly is Stashaway? In a nutshell, it's a digital investment platform designed to make investing as easy as ordering your favorite takeaway. They handle the complex stuff, so you can focus on enjoying the fruits of your investment. Now, let's get to the juicy part, how to transfer your money to this investment wonderland. There are primarily two ways to do this. Method 1, direct bank transfer. This is like sending a trusted friend some money. You simply initiate a transfer from your bank account to Stashaway's account. It's as straightforward as it sounds. But here's the catch, you need the right account details. Stashaway will provide you with these, so make sure you have them handy. Double-check the account name, account number, and bank name. One wrong digit and your money might take a detour to an unexpected destination. Method 2, debit card. Feeling impulsive? Or maybe you just want to try out a smaller amount first. Using your debit card is your go-to. Most investment platforms, including Stashaway, allow you to link your debit card for quick top-ups. But a word of caution, check your card limits. You don't want to be caught off guard with declined transactions. Once you've chosen your method, it's time to hit the transfer button. But wait, there's more. Processing times can vary. It could be instant, or it might take a couple of business days. Don't panic if you don't see the money in your Stashaway account immediately. Patience is a virtue, especially in the world of finance. Now, a common question that pops up is, are there any fees? The short answer is, it depends. Some banks might charge transfer fees, and Stashaway might have its own fee structure. It's crucial to check with both your bank and Stashaway to avoid surprises. A tip, if you're planning to transfer a large sum, consider breaking it down into smaller transfers. This way, you can manage your cash flow better and potentially reduce fees. What about security? The million-dollar question. Rest assured, both your bank and Stashaway have robust security measures in place. But it's always wise to be cautious. Look out for phishing attempts, and never share your account details with anyone. So, you've successfully transferred your money to Stashaway. What now? Well, that's a topic for another day. But remember, investing is a long-term game. Don't get swayed by short-term market fluctuations. Stay invested, stay informed, and most importantly, stay patient. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.